Hello and welcome to TEVO Centralized System. Today we're going to see how to register as a certified detailer. It's easy and you can do it on the go. You can start by typing hello. Next, choose Detailer. Proceed to click Certified Detailer and System Registration. The system will detect your phone number and your name. Kindly proceed to confirm. Next, type in your shop name and your shop location. Finally, please provide your unique username. And you're done. Click confirm. Next is to register with the pushover notification. Click download for Apple or Android and follow the link provided. Kindly download and install on your phone. For new user, you will have to sign up and log in. Once done, return back to WhatsApp and click Next Step. You will then have to copy your user key from pushover. Go into Settings and copy the pushover user key. Paste back in WhatsApp and our sales admin team will process your registration within 3 working days. Just wait for their calls. Once verified, you can access our exclusive information center, products and services. Thank you for using our system.